Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how the enterprise architecture is relevant and related to the IT projects and project management. So I would like to talk in two parts. For the first part, I will explain about the enterprise architecture and briefly talk about why IT plays an important role in the enterprise architecture. And in the second part, I will talk about the connection between the enterprise architecture and the IT projects or the IT project management. So first of all, I would like to explain a little bit about the enterprise architecture. Simply, it is an architecture of an enterprise. So enterprise could be any organization like company or government or agency, and the architecture is like complex or the carefully designed structure. So we can assume that the enterprise architecture is like a kind of a structure or behavior of an organization. Nowadays, the organizations, especially the business organizations, are more and more complex and increasingly dependent on the information architecture to support the particular objectives about the the enterprise or organization. So we can see enterprise architecture as a kind of a bridge which connects the business and information technology, whereby IT have to support and help uh, to achieve the business goals. So now I'm going to talk about how the enterprise architecture is relevant and related to the IT project and project management. So, in fact, the enterprise architecture has multiple levels. Then the IT projects play the important roles in particular level of enterprise architecture, and that's where the enterprise architecture and IT project management meet. First of all, the enterprise architecture always provides the overview and the module description, the more detail of IT project, which will be suitable into the business needs. So it helps to the project management plan of the IT project. IT project team can reveal the main ideas and requirements where the IT implementation is needed. As a result, it helps for easier resource planning of the project management. The other thing is that the enterprise architecture has its own standard across the organization. That means that it can support the IT governance. For example, the IT devices or assets should be only purchased if they fit within the enterprise architecture standard. So in that way, it makes easier for project management in a way that um, ID governance wants. So, for my opinion, the most important impact from architecture over the IT project management is that the enterprise architecture can help the IT projects to create the values. You can develop a very nice high-tech IT software or hardware project, but if it doesn't make the value, the meaning that it doesn't give the good impact to the business, then your projects could be useless. So in this case, enterprise architecture can definitely provide what is the business needs, and then the how IT project management can give the solution or value about these business requirements. So in conclusion, the enterprise architecture becomes essential for the organization, and in order to pace with the technology age, IT is also a part of enterprise architecture. So the enterprise architecture is like a bridge between the business and IT. It can give more valuable and more detailed plans of IT project and project management, where the business has to be achieved by the organizations. In these ways, the enterprise architecture is indeed relevant and related to the IT projects and project management. Thank you.